tutorial on how I achieve this specific look today. And as you guys can see, this is something that I've never tried before and something that you guys have not seen me do before on this channel. As you saw in the title already, this is hair from Beauty Forever, and if you guys are not already familiar with Beauty Forever, I have reviewed their hair before. And if you have seen this picture roaming around on the internet or on Instagram and they're tagging other companies, that is not that specific company's hair, that is Beauty Forever's hair. So if you guys have seen this picture, that's Beauty Forever's hair, and I will have that video linked down below. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's get to the deets on this hair. This is the Kinky Straight from Beauty Forever, and I do have in 4 bundles of 22 inch and a 20 inch 4x4 Swiss lace closure, and I do have one more bundle left. And I just want to say that this freaking hair was so soft. I honestly was expecting it to be a little more coarse, but I'm happy that it wasn't. It was very easy to style and install, and I honestly didn't have any problems with it tangling, to say that it's kinky straight hair, guys. But I just wanted to try something different and switch it up a little, because this kinky straight hair is very natural looking, and I was going for more so of a effortless type look. I know I've been doing the really styled textures lately, but this literally looks like my hair blow dried straight. And this texture is super soft, as you guys can see. My hands are going straight through it. I added some little light layers and also made it a little blunt cut so it can look like my natural hair, as natural as possible. So, and I also wanted to show you guys the 2 other textures that I got, and this was the kinky curly, which is really cute as well, and this was the curly hair that I tried in my previous video that I reviewed for them, which will be linked down below. So if I put these next to each other, you guys can see those 3 different textures. Make sure you guys check the description box for the deets on this hair as well. Also, some of their Black Friday sales that they will be having on the 29th. And also, I will have a coupon code down below for you guys to get some extra money off for your purchase. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you check down below. But I think we've covered everything for this video. So let's get right into this tutorial and see how I achieve this look. So keep on watching. Alrighty, so as stated, I will be using 4 bundles of the Kinky Straight hair in 22 inches. And this hair was really soft to touch. Actually, you can see how it's flowing in the video. It was just very, very, very soft. And I also will be using a matching 4x4 Swiss lace closure in the same texture. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots previously, and I constructed it into a machine sewn wig. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that wig series that will be coming in December, so have those post notifications on. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how I flat ironed this texture. It is already kinky, so I just wanted to get rid of some of those kinks just so it can look like I have a blow dry look and very natural. So it's very effortless looking, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do that, and then we're going to get to the closure. Alrighty, so for the closure, it was already pretty pre-plucked, but of course I like to go ahead and customize it to my liking and how I like it to look on my hairline. So I went ahead and flat ironed that as well, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just pluck it just a little bit more so it looks a little more natural. Alrighty, so on to the installation process. Of course, we're going to clean up our forehead just to get rid of any sticky residue, anything that's going to interfere with laying our lace. So once I apply that alcohol, I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to apply my wig. And as you guys can see, this is Swiss lace, and it is a little bit dark on your girl's skin tone. So I went ahead with my MAC powder and put that onto the lace, and voila, look at that, it blends very well. And of course, like I always do in all of my installation videos, I'm going to cut that into a few pieces just so it can make it easier for me to just cut and install. And we're going to apply our Got To Be spray. So I like to use about 3 layers of this Got To Be Free spray just so it can give the lace something to grab on and it won't melt off as quickly as it probably should. So I do about 3 layers, and once that gets a little tacky, you can feel it like to where it's getting tacky, I'm just going to flip that over onto the glue and we're going to go ahead and blow dry it. So this does tend to get hard, but if you're blow drying it correctly and on a medium to high heat setting, it shouldn't be very crunchy. So once again, I'm going to cut off that excess lace, and then we're going to go into cutting our preferred baby hairs. Alrighty, so this is always the longest part of the video for me, is styling my baby hairs. So in this video, I will be doing a lot of the cutting and swooping and styling of my baby hairs, just because, like I said in the beginning, I did not want this to be a very tamed look. I wanted it to look very effortless. So I didn't want these baby hairs to be super defined and harsh looking. So I'm going to go back and cut them and just make them look very natural. So if you're wondering what mousse I am using for the baby hairs, I'm using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse with coconut and shea oil, and I will have that in the description box below with everything else that I used in the video. So let's just watch me continue to do this for majority of the video, and then I'm going to come with the final result.
Show it out.
spray my hair with cheese spray just to like help with the flyaways, but I actually don't want to do that because my hair is looking natural and just blow dry, so I don't want it to look too tame. I already have the baby hair, so I think that's going to be good enough. So I think I want to add some more layers in here, but this is looking really good, y'all. Look how that blended with that Swiss lace. Let me see, I think I want to add some more layers. Let me see.
Could I mind if you just let me shimmy out, you shimmy in. Bump it and grind, let's go.
Okay, so this concludes the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for all links and information on this hair. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.